Hey guys, Tom from Digismoothie, and in this video I will show you how you can hide out-of-stock products on your store using the Shopify Flow. In one of my previous videos, I showed you how you can manage sold-out inventory, and there were a couple of disadvantages. But in the meantime, Shopify introduced a new product status called Unlisted, which is exactly perfect for what we are trying to achieve. So first of all, we are trying to hide sold-out products from our store because they don't add much value for the visitor. But at the same time, we don't want the URL to be returning 404 error because Google or any other search engines or LLMs don't like that. But Shopify introduced a new product status called Unlisted, which does exactly what we are looking for. So it hides the product from your storefront, but at the same time, it will keep the URL live. So any bot can actually access the URL, which is okay. The beauty of this is that we will do everything using the Flow and Sidekick. So there is not a lot of work you need to do, and it's also completely for free. So let's get to it. I'm now in my store, I'm in Flow, and I will click on Create Workflow. I will insert my prompt, which is create a flow that will automatically put sold out products to unlisted status and list them back when they become available. Keep in mind the continue selling when out of stock option as well. And let's get going. Okay, the flow is ready. Let's preview it. Thing to keep in mind is the trigger. So the flow will only run when the inventory changes. So it actually won't automatically scan all your product catalog and hide or unhide the products. It will only does that for products which inventory has changed. And then if the inventory is less or equal to 0 and the continue selling when out of stock is off, it will set the product to draft, which is not what we are looking for because we have asked to be unlisted. So let's ask Sidekick to fix it. Okay, and now it looks correct. So let's add it to store. Turn on. And now let's test it. So currently you see there's a mesh scoop which is sold out listed on our store collection. So to run the flow, we need to change its inventory. So I will add one. Okay, so I changed the inventory and now the flow should run. We can check it by going to flow. Okay, and you can see that the flow has just run and it correctly updated the product status to unlisted. So let's check it on the store. And you can see that the scoop is no longer here, which is awesome. Now let's imagine we received a stock and we want to put it back online. So we updated the quantity. Now we'll wait a couple of seconds till the flow will run. Okay, the flow just ran and it seems everything went well and it updated the product status. So you can see the new status is active. Now let's go back to our collection and see if the product is here. Yeah, perfect, is here. So this is a very simple way how you can manage your inventory and kind of hide it whenever it goes out of stock. The more advanced version would be also managing the variants. I will prepare another video for that. I hope this was useful. Thanks much for watching. And if you'd like to stay on top of Shopify, please subscribe to our channel.